What's the most challenging part of being a poker dealer?
I don't think there's one in particular thing that is necessarily the most challenging. I think there are a lot of challenging things about being a dealer. I think one of the biggest elements is being extremely focused. I think the best poker dealers are the ones that are very, attention to detail oriented. The ones that pitch their cards directly to each player, don't accidentally flip over a card when they're pitching to every player. The ones that are very focused on, the layout, bet sizes that all match. If you're dealing PLO, knowing exactly how much the pot size bet is before a player says the word pot, you can announce it, and that way it's accurate, because sometimes it can get really complicated with multiple bets that are happening, bet, call, raise, re-raise, to know what that exact number is. Quick with math when it comes to that. Having pretty thick skin is a really tough element of being a dealer. Being able to put up with some abuse that happens on the table. Obviously, players are going to get frustrated when they get bad beat, blame it on the dealer, even though, as we all know, it's not the dealer's fault, even though other players will say it is. But being able to just kind of roll with the punches, just not let it bother you, move on to the next hand, that's pretty difficult too. I think detail oriented and being extremely focused on everything that's happening. Every subtle tap on the table that's a check motion, how much every player is betting, that you don't miss a single element. You kind of need to be 100% on throughout the whole course of the time that you're dealing at the table.